G'day folks, and welcome to another episode of MDC Masterclass. Today we're going to tackle spreader poles, how to make it easier to connect them and get your camper set up quicker. It's a common complaint that C-clips will break or can be difficult to attach. Well, today we'll show you the easy way. There's one school of thought that people think you wet your finger, slide it into the C-clip and it'll go on smoothly. Well, if you're a germ phobic like me, get some silicone spray. Quick spray of silicone spray, pop that down, grab your spreader bar, always have the wing nut towards you and always attach the spreader pole to the higher ridge pole first. Place the C-clip against the pole. Get it on an angle of about 15 to 30 degrees. Line it up and give it a quick nudge into place. Goes on so simple. Extend your spreader pole and bring the opposite end C-clip into place. Put it against the pole. Put your hand around and grab both sides of the C-clip so it sits squarely on the other pole and give it a nudge into place. Simply do the wing nut up, job done. For more information and more great videos, head across to our website and check out the whole range of MDC Masterclass.